Welcome back to Auto Axis. 5 decades, one name. This is not your average hot hatch. Meet the 2025 Volkswagen GTI-50, a 50th anniversary tribute that doesn't just honor the past. It unleashes it. Drenched in a blazing tornado red, the GTI-50 isn't whispering for attention. It's demanding it. And under the hood, a fine-tuned 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, pushing out 296 horsepower, paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed DSG. 0 to 60, just 5.4 seconds. Yeah, this one bites. Inside, it's all premium rebellion. Black leather sport seats with classic GTI plaid in red stitch, a 12.9-inch curved touchscreen, wireless everything, and VW's latest IQ. Drive Assist, making this beast as smart as it is savage. They've even brought back the golf ball gear knob, and yes, that retro GTI badge on the tailgate, it's legit. Only 1,974 units will hit the global roads, each one numbered, each one exclusive. And the price of precision power and heritage? Starting at $39,995. This is Auto Axis, precision, power, passion. Subscribe now. Drive. What's next?